Mulweni sanbonani dumelang vendai diplom van ons here man. It's your boy Yibanat Khalo Barrias Bio Clever was a come for those who love me call me D to the O, M to the P O and L to the O, and you know what's up. Okay, I don't know what's up. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Otherwise, I'm on campus. I'm on campus. I just came from that big building library. Yeah, that's it. Nas student cut some. So ndiyophunga ngoku. Ndiyophunga, yabo. You'll remember that I did post out a first video yalo mphungo, because like sidla ngophunga only on Mondays, but like into entsha ngoku, yabo. I just learned ukuba kuyaphungwa na ngolezithathu, yabo. Kuyaphungwa na ngolezithathu, and little like ndive only yesterday. So now ndiyophunga kulo mphungo ke ngoku, yabo. So I just want to see ukuthi, like, am I going to get away with cutting the line nangoku na, yabo. Atmos mna ningudombolo, for Dombolo usually does this thing, yabo. And also I was hoping ukuba le video ndiza kuyenza ibe ngu live, yabo. But yo ani join man ngu live, so it's better ukuba ndiyenze, and there's just okay, no, it's cool. And then ndiyenze and then just upload it like that. But andifuna ukunantsika man, ingathi ngithatha ixesha elide with this one. Yabo, it's like ngithatha ixesha elide with this one, but no, right man. Andizoyikhathisha next. Like I just want to show you guys like the whole process of it. I want to show you the whole process of it. What's this? Okay, Dombolo. And by the way, the time now is 1:15, and they start serving bonango. They start serving half past, but not a lot of people know uba kuyaphungwa na ngolwezithathu, yabo. So there's a possibility that the line could be short, or even better, kungabikho bantu. Okay, shit, the line is not short, and abantu bakhona, the line is pretty fucking long. But we'll see. I just want to show you guys like the people abaselaini. I want to show you guys the people that are in the line. This is all the people that are in the line. This is just how long the fucking line is. Yeah, boy. And then again, I'm gonna use the same strategy that I used last time. Walking and like the line is still continuing. Yeah, but I'm still gonna use the same strategy that I used the last time I came here. Yabo, uyangena, you get in right, and then ungena kwakho, you come into the toilet. Yabo, well, that's where they are doing the grabbing of the bread. It's just that India like ndibawa ukuba nibone actually, yabo. Ndifuna ukuba nibone actually, but like nama ndifuna ujambisa. Yeah, I can see that they're wrapping the bread, and then ababona bamenga apha, and yazi ke ba like is a by process, yabo. So ndingena toilet, but andizohlala kakhulu apha, yabo. Now the problem is that I'm not sure, but like, should I cut the video and then continue ke ngoku lela xesha, yabo. But I'm gonna cut it, yabo, and then I'm gonna shoot another one once abayabangeni, because like I can't just, yabo, and like apa funny na paya, yabo. It's not the same kind of outside, so I'm gonna cut this one, and then yeah. Okay, cool. So I just heard ukuba bazo like they're going to start to serve now, yabo. They're going to start to serve now, but and bazo follow isha AP process. Like I think going to follow yabo usual you faga 5 to 10 people at the time. I don't know, but I think line and mkhanza ikata swaga, yabo. Mkhambe like ngama at the end of like 10 people, yabo, and not do that thing that I usually do, like figure you pack top 5, but I don't know, we'll see. So okay, the people are already Abando. Sabamile. But I mean, I'm already here, so like I don't see isidingo sokuba peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter. Yes. But they don't go that side most. You cannot go to that. Yeah. So I got my bread, right? Now I'm waiting for a coffee. I'm waiting for my coffee now. Yeah, shorter. And then when I hang out like for a few moments, those are the coffees. So now I've man coffee. My belly's on the way in Gula by this metal thing and last Kamalai bando. I think I once slide. And now the problem is that as a slide, because ulambi, Kalu sitting a kafumani coffee. So stay big. Yeah guys, mission complete now. Nan's coffee, I'm a carrot, coffee. And now Pinenda's nikumsebenzi. I gave myself a job. So like you see these chairs here, there's these chairs here. Almost two layers lava pants. It's bacon dim. Like because I have to tell people about Kiteli Bazakulichala Lingap. One of they suppose about Pelelengap bonke. You have buy to lose or buy not. So now I gave myself a job. And Ilendo Yenza Ukuba. Ebona Lumlung, just close the door there, please. Like funeka useful manapela life. If you make yourself useful ebantwini, people will see value kuwe, and then they'll start to ask you to do some things for them. That's why abanye babo they don't complain. We don't go this side, baby, ne? That's why ababandu sometimes, in fact I feel like sometimes they notice ukuba hey iyakhatale, and they don't say anything because of the value that I add, So I'm gonna stick to doing this, because Mfumene 2 and 2 is not enough, but I'm gonna do another one. Plus Mfumene is 6 yam or 8 yam. I don't know how much I'm gonna get, but hopefully Mfumene's needs. Okay, so kwenze ke simanga ke ngoku, something terrible just happened. I just heard ukuba kuyaphindwa ngoku, kuyaphindwa, and then apha ekuphindweni mna because bendisebenza ndike line of work. Now I won't be able to go join iline le ayipha ngemva. So kuyanyanzeleka uba ke ngoku ndishayine idume ngazo. And mna they won't say uba ngothini because besele ndimile kakade. Onguphinda ndiyomavaya. In fact ndizuma kwakude. Okay, which flavor is this one? Peanut butter. Yeah, another one. Yeah, everyone too. Can you not taking like? Oh, okay. So umndo lapho uzawufumana too. Iyaphinda. So you might as well. Yeah, all of them. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Mtshele. Nkimfe mata. Kimfe. And this right is thank you very much. Appreciate it. Ezzy. As I have said, ladies and gentlemen, ukuba ndingumuntu osebenzayo, uyabona uba hard work does definitely pay off. Ngoku ndifumene half a dozen yam yezonka. All that's left now is for me to get my coffee and I'm out of here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep the video open for up until the fumane the coffee yam. And then the she now. We won today. We won. Who knows? Maybe if there's still bread left, like I feel like like ukuzibona as a rappers social media like xa zinemali because zifone ngayo zifone ngemali mina ngifona ngesinkwa. But anyways, ndizo like I'll continue shooting up until ndifumane coffee and then I'll see if I can get ezinye on top of the ones that I've already hopefully like ndizawufumana one at least like ndiki half, you know, like half at least should be sufficient. But yeah, ndikwazi uba ndibamba umphefumlo, but I don't know but endline ingadize man. Na andizokwazi uba ndibe ndibala kaloku ana-space for nini, we need a space, so we'll see. We're going to see. In fact, we'll talk. I'll call you. We'll talk. Okay. I just finished eating room. I just finished eating 6 yam. So in a total, that's 8. You know? Like the tebile, like the grand, you know, like aksako klamba or whatever the case. Ka izonga zisekhona, and then like there's no people in the line, bro. Like look at the line. There's no people, but izonga zona's needs, and I'm like I don't like good food to go to waste, so just for control, more like just for control. Ndizothatha, but like anzothatha kakhulu manje, you know, like I'll only take 2. Yabona uthatha 2 car just so that I make it 10. Yabona uthatha 2 car. Yeah, I'm taking for the last time now. Game. 2, yeah, 2 slide. Yeah, brown please. Thank you very much. Yeah, last one, and that makes it a 10. Angiba nami ndiza kuyihlalela phansi le ndaba. Otherwise, it was nice being with you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be posting more of this as the time goes by, so make sure you stay tuned.